Often listed among the states that are ranked as the most progressive, cleanest, and most vibrant, Minnesota is home to the students of Macalester College. Macalester College is located in the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul. The people of Minnesota are active year-round, and there is no better place to fully experience the glorious seasons of Mother Nature. The summer offers leisurely time at one of more than 23 lakes in the Twin Cities area. The progression into fall is marked by spectacular scenes of multicolored turning leaves. Winter festivals, skiing, ice fishing, tubing, skating, and riding through the woods on a snowmobile are a few of the outdoor sports enjoyed by Minnesotans in the winter. Spring marks the awakening of flowers and the transition back to summer activities like jogging, frisbee, softball, and rollerblading. In addition to the multitude of outdoor sports activities, the Twin Cities provide MAC students with a myriad of social and cultural opportunities. The cities are known for live theater, music, and concerts, coffee shops, great restaurants, art museums, and fantastic shopping at the Mall of America. The Twin Cities is also known for our professional sports teams and a thriving international business community, which makes the Twin Cities a booming center of commerce for the Midwest. Winding its way through the Twin Cities is the majestic Mississippi River. Only a few minutes removed from the bustling downtown areas, tucked away in the historic tree-lined residential neighborhood of St. Paul, is Macalester College, one of the jewels of liberal arts education in the U.S.